Before the video begins, if you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe. It only takes 1 second to subscribe, and it takes me hours and hours to complete these drawings, and I would greatly appreciate it. Also, while you're at it, make sure to turn on post notifications so don't miss out every time I upload a new video. I upload every single Friday, every single week, and I'm consistent. So make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty everybody, that wraps up the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like the video. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's get to 30 likes for this video. Can we do it? I know we can, so make sure to like the video. It really helps out a bunch. And also, comment what you thought of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment. I reply to every single comment, so comment what you thought of drawing. Don't be afraid. And make sure to share this video with your friends. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps out with the channel a bunch too. Here's a Hori-san drawing from Horimiya. Hopefully you all enjoyed. I honestly really like the anime so far. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. It's on Hulu. I've been watching it on Hulu. And honestly, I had a lot of fun making this drawing. It wasn't anything too complicated, but in the end, I think it came out really clean. And hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. Also, if you want to see a drawing of Miyamura, make sure to like the video and comment to let me know. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.